Hey. Hi gang, this is 2024 Transit with airbag light on with the code passenger side parking deployment. Okay, this is the code number 1408 and the airbag light is on. So there's two of them, deployment control 1 and deployment control 2. They're close to each other. I'm going to show you where both of them are, and then I'm going to see what to do about that. So we'll go around the vehicle. Okay, so I pulled the ceiling a little bit, all right, and if you can see there's one over there. This is number one. Okay, number one. We have the other one. Excellent. The other one is over there. That's number 2. Okay, right there. So I'm gonna substitute and see if it works. All right. As a matter of fact, I already did. I substitute for this one. This one also. Put the resistor there, put the codes, and everything is okay. All right. Thank you, and subscribe if you like my stuff.